Welcome to the most awaited event of the year. Siddhivinayak Education Institute presents Gyanutsav 2025.
Hello everyone, myself Shoil Waghade. I am from 11 JEE and from Siddhivinayak Institution, and today we are studying about river road problem. So in this river road problem, we will study by using some questions in this river road problem. So let's try our first question. This is our river, and the width of the river is 16 kilometers. The width of the river is 16 kilometer, and the speed of the river by which it is flowing, it is 4 kilometers. And here we have a person. Here we have a person from what bank of, and he has to try to swim to other bank with an speed of 4 kilometers 3 kilometers. Okay. So here you can see the person has to swim from point A to point B with a speed of 3 kilometers per hour. The width of the river is 16 kilometers, and the speed of the river flowing speed of the river is 4 kilometers. So we have to find the speed of the river is 4 kilometers. So the person, if you see the person from this frame of reference, so the person will swim like this, like the river is having its own velocity. So the person will have two velocities. This one will be 3 kilometers upwards, and one more velocity to here, like second velocity will be this, which is 4 kilometers, and second velocity is 4 kilometers. And the person will, when you see from this reference of point, so the person will assume that he is swimming like this. If you see from this frame, if you see from his frame, so like he will assume that he is swimming with swimming in a same direction, like he is swimming straight direction. So here we have to find the first time taken, second drift, and third actual distance. So these three things I have to find. So the time taken will be easy, like the width of the river is 16 kilometers, so the time formula is equals to distance s upon speed. So we will take the speed of the person, so speed, so it will be like 16 5.3. So he will take like 5.3 hours to swim from this to this. So the time has taken. Now drift is the distance he has, like this distance from which the point from A to B and C. So the distance between B to C is called as drift. So for drift we will like find this distance. So for this distance we will use the formula S is equals to, for this S is equals to V into T. So the velocity of the person is 4 kilometers. So 4 into time taken as 5.3. So multiplication will be 21 point. So distance is 21.2 kilometers. Like drift, it is called as drift also. So now we have to find the actual distance. The actual distance the person has swim is like from here point A to point C. So the actual distance can be find as this is like 21.2 So 21.2, so we will use the Pythagoras theorem. Here we will use the Pythagoras theorem for to find the actual distance of A and C. For A and C, which is equals to root under AB square plus BC square. Root under AB, AB is 3 kilometers plus BC 21.2. So here 9 plus 21.2, 21.2. Four 944. So the AC distance will be 44 6 13 13 9 under root 9 plus 44944, which is equals to 94 6 7 8 9 4 4 9 5 3. This is our AC. The distance he has actually traveled. So like this way you can solve this problem. It's very easy. So now we will take the next problem. So in this problem we will take angle, like question number 2. This is our river and the person here is swimming in this direction with an angle of 37 degree and with a speed of 10 kilometers per hour, and the speed of the river is 8 kilometer per hour, and the width is 36 kilometers. Width is 36 kilometers. So we will find the component. So like for this direction it will be 10 sine 37 and here 10 cos 37. So let's find out here the for 10 sine 37, 10 into 4 by 5, cos 37 is 4 by 5, 4 by 5, sorry, 4 by 5, so 5 2s are 4 2s are 8 kilometers in this direction. So here the person is swimming in this direction with a speed of 8 kilometers and the speed of river is 8 kilometers, and upward direction he is swimming 10 into 3 by 5, sine 37's value is 3 by 5, so is equals to 10 6 kilometers. He is speeding with a speed of 6 kilometers upwards. So here you can see that both the speeds both in both the direction, like in this direction and this direction, the speed are same. So the person would reach at this point. He will not drift like here, not here. The person would start from point A and reach from point B, as the velocities of the both directions are same. So here let's find out about time. time and drift, and third actual distance. So here time taken by the person would be like distance of the river is 36 kilometers and velocity of the person is 10 kilometers upwards, 16 kilometers upwards, 10 kilometers upwards, sorry. So time is equals to 36 upon speed of the person is 6 kilometers upwards here. So 6 hours. The time taken would be 6 hours by the person to reach from point A to point B here. And for drift, so here there will be no drift. The drift is the distance from which the person has was swimming in the direction, and the drift is this, like it is not drift, but the drift is 0 here, and actual distance here swim is this one, which is given as 36 kilometers. So the distance is 36 kilometers. So these are some questions which you can use to solve the riverboat problems. From this I conclude my so please like and subscribe for my channel. Thank you. Bye.